What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be wrapping these Porsche GT4 seats that are right behind me. As you can see, the seats, they're out of the car. He brought it to me. It just made it a lot easier than bringing the car. We're going to be wrapping this whole back part right here in carbon fiber. We're going to try to do it without removing the seat or anything because I haven't really figured out how to take it apart. It seems a little complicated, a lot of bolts and stuff here and there. Safest way is just to wrap it on there and just take your time and be very thorough. We'll be using Vvivid epoxy carbon fiber right here. As you can see, it looks phenomenal. Pretty legit, to be honest with you. I got enough to do both seats, and if I do mess up, there is enough to fix one seat at least. So I'm pretty excited to use this new material. It's gonna be a fun project. It's gonna take me quite some time to figure it out. It's gonna be really challenging for the most part. So I'm gonna set the camera up on tripod and we're gonna knock this out.
Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. There's a lot on the fire, and it burns like me for you. Tomorrow comes with one desire, to take me away. It ain't easy to say goodbye, darling, please don't start to cry. Girl, you know I got to go. All I got was myself. Save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone.
Alright guys, it's been a very long day. I finally finished the seats, as you can see right here behind me. Before I show it to you guys, I just want you guys to know that it was really difficult to wrap. It's really hard to get the vinyl to tuck between the plastic and the leather without damaging the leather, because you have to post heat, get the wrinkles out, have to trim and things like that. I did the best that I could. I think it looked phenomenal. The owner actually came by earlier and he looked at it. He seemed to like it. You know, he said, do the best that you can. Far away, it looks legit. It looks like these are real carbon fiber seats. So after a few long hours this morning, leading into the afternoon, I finally finished. So take a look at them. Let me know what you think. Okay, here they are. Made sure I had full coverage, tucked in on the airbag, only because it's super thin right here. So if I wrapped over this, it's gonna peel back because this epoxy one is a lot thinner than regular vinyl, so it's not gonna stick pretty well. So best thing to do is just plastic dip it or spray paint them somehow. But I kind of like it. You know, the silver looks kind of cool, kind of contrasts a little bit. Get some close-ups. Alright, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Didn't really go in depth into how to wrap these seats. You have to have some experience. It's going to be very challenging. For the most part, it came out decent, to be honest. It could have been a little better if the seats were taken apart. I can tuck the vinyl, make it look really 100% authentic. But the owner is not trying to pass it off as authentic carbon fiber or real carbon fiber seats. Just wanted to have a little accent, so when you see the seats from behind the car or on the side of the car, it actually looks pretty cool. That's all it is, just appearance. So I'm very happy with this project. I'm very tired, very exhausted. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're a new viewer, and leave a comment below if you really like these carbon fiber backing on this Porsche GT4 seat. I wish the ISF had something like that, but anyway, so I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.